First woman to argue a case before the Supreme Court of Ontario and the Supreme Court of Canada. Oh, she was the first federally appointed female judge in Canada.
1940, Helen. Look at the bridge. Look at this bridge. Look how long this bridge is.
Here to 1954.
Look at this guy. Look at the water. Look at the bridge. Look at how the water is. Look at how. Look at that. How big this.
She passed away in 1970.
Yeah, and that's why I'm standing over there. Look on this side of the. Look at that side. There's the same width. Look how wide this river is. Look at the size of this river, guys. Look at that. Oh my God, this is
River.
Grand River. In where is this?
Cayuga.
Cayuga, in Grand River in Cayuga. Man, look at that. And you can sit here, relax, watch the water. Look how wide this long this overpass is over the bridge. This bridge is, and this is a park. Look on those river weeds. Look at how the water is flowing. Look at that string there. Look at they put a string in the water. Look at that. There's a thing there. There's a string there that something is on it. Like a they had a string on in the water. Look at this, guys. Look how nice. Look how beautiful this place is, man. High. The height of this bridge. If you're afraid of height, do you know that the water come right over that thing when it rains? Come look at this. Look at the column. Guys, look at that. Look at the column there. The water comes right up on that big old column there when rain falls and the river come down. Oh my God! Look at that. Look there. Look over here.
Yeah, I know. I'm seeing it.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at the water comes way up there. Holy Christ! That means people who down that side, they must be going nuts when this river come down. Look how long this bridge is. I would like to know how long it is. This may be more than maybe a kilometer long. Measurement thing. Yeah, it's on my phone, it could tell you. And we are walking right across it, guys. It's solid. Beautiful. You know, somebody they ride their bike down here too, you know, bicycle. This is a beautiful bridge. Nice scenery. I like this. Wow, look at the logs on top, the thing. Big old logs that wash up there. See? They tell you all about the justice. This is David Marshall. Look out. You can read up on this thing. This guy's beautiful. Nice. You can see the current down there too, you know. All those people land must be washed away. Unless that's government land, they don't. Yeah. Guys, look how long this trail is. Nice trail. Wow, this bridge is long. Holy. Look at that. Look at the bush, guys. Look at that. Nice scenery there. And this is the end of the bridge. So look at that. Look at the length of that thing. Look how far my truck is. Look how far. Long bridge. Look at it. I don't hear no more birds. And there's water. Normally birds hang around water. Build their nests and they don't have to fly far for water. That's a nice 6-minute video. Shorts. This is nice. All away from the city in the bushes. Oh, this is a property sign. Property was donated to Alberta J. Marshall for the purpose of public trail on Grand River 2018. At 2018 they give the land. Wow, that was 8 years ago. Wow, so that was 8 years since they built that bridge. Wow, pretty interesting. So that means the guy also owned this land, and he gave the city the land to build the trail. Guys, this is a long walk to the trail. All over there. You just bend down underneath it. Yeah. So you bend down right here, B. Come. You use that thing and just break it. You just cross there a while ago.
Yeah.
You just fly across. I want to catch you. You know that you was coming. Wow, they put a nice bench here too. It was donated. Yeah, this bridge was donated by Susan and Abby.
Yeah.
See, look at that nice bench. Yeah, you can sit here, relax when you're tired walking across the bridge all the way. Nice place. I like it. Yep. Over that side is private property. Violation will be prosecuted. You can't go over there. You can't come off the trail.
Yeah, I know.
You can go all the way there.
Yeah, but you You can't go
You can
further
go,
after that.
and you can go to your left or the right.
There's more to the trail, but on the other side, I
Yeah,
think.
that's a nice bird feeder there too. Nice place. That's a long. This is almost 2 kilo. This is almost 2 kilometers
Yeah,
across the bridge.
2 kilometers. Yeah. We're supposed to probably turn off
Yeah.
way before to get the trails. Maybe the other entrance before that.
Yeah.
Before we came.
This is beautiful. Dee, look on the apple. Look on the apple tree. Look at that.
Oh wow!
Look at this.
Right there.
Look on the amount of apple. If there was thing they bush out there, I was gonna pick some. Jeez, I'm pain. Look at the apple tree, guys. Look at that. That's all apples. Full apples.
Come on this side. You'll get better pictures.
Wow, look at that. Full of apples. Man. If there was so much if there wasn't so much bush, I would just climb up there and go pick two. I think that is on the government land too, like that's not on the guy's property. Yeah, that's on the property of the government, and is that they plant another. They should plant fruit tree, not just a regular tree. Yeah, they should have put a bench like up there. This is nice. Yeah. And this is the trail.
They have the trail right there.
This is the no hunting, no winter maintenance, pet out. You must pick up a appropriate no motorized vehicle. Look at it, guys. This is that's the name of the trail. This is nice. Oh, they have all that paddle thing here. They put on it. Look at that. They put it. And it tells you all about whatever, what and what. Yeah. That's the trail, and that is the end of the road on this video.